Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Debbie and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made this well-fitted DIY face mask using a plate, which I believe you all have at home. Alright, this face mask is very easy to make and you don't need a sewing machine to do this. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I used a paper to make a filter for my face mask. Alright, you don't want to mix it, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Alright, let's go straight into the video, but please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you. Okay, just get a reasonable quantity of fabric that your plate can fit into, like this. Alright, so after doing that, you're going to get your pen or your marker. I'm using a marker for this tutorial because I want you to see the lines very well. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to roll around the plate on my fabric like this to form a very nice and seamless circle. All right, so after removing the plate, as you can see, this is how the circle is going to look like. So right about now, I'm just going to cut it out of my fabric to give me just the circle. All right. So after cutting it out from the main fabric, I'm going to fold it into two like this. All right, then I'm going to fold it into four like this. For proper understanding, I'm going to fold it into two parts like this, then fold it into four like this. I hope you get this. All right. Okay, I want to make sure that the both sides they are equal to each other. All right, before cutting it out with my scissors. All right, there are three folded sides as you can see in the illustration below, so I'm going to cut out the three folded sides just like this. So after cutting out the side, we're going to have four different patterns altogether. So what we're going to do is to join two patterns together to form one pattern. All right, then after doing that, we're going to have a total of two patterns, one for the front and one for the back. Okay, so right now I want to take my thread and my needle and just join them together, join two patterns to form one, join other two patterns to join one to give us a front and a back pattern. All right, so let's sew them together right now. Right, as you can see, we're done sewing the first pattern, and this is how it's going to look like when you're done sewing it. You can see the face mask is already coming into form. So right now, let's go and sew the other pattern, all right, to form the back pattern. Alright, as you can see, we're done sewing the other side and it came out really perfect. So right about now, we're going to join both patterns together just like this. Okay, so after doing them together and arranging them very well, we're going to sew both sides, both the upper side and the lower side. But while in the lower side, we're going to sew from the beginning to the end, but for the upper side, we're sewing just the middle part because we're leaving space for the filter pocket at both sides. So right now I'm going to get my needle and thread and sew the lower side from the beginning to the end, just like this. Alright, well, done sewing the lower part. So right about now, we're going to go ahead and sew the upper part. And remember, we're sewing just the middle part of the upper part. Alright, we're leaving space for the filter at. Alright, after sewing the upper part of my face mask, I'm just going to turn it inside out, just like this. As you can see, my face mask is already coming out really beautiful and nice. That's the space in my filter pocket you can see over there. Okay, so right about now I'm going to insert my elastic band at both sides of the face mask. So to insert my elastic band, I'm going to fold the side of my face mask like this and take my thread and my needle and sew it down just like this. Hope you can see it very well and hope you understand what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to sew it like this to insert my elastic band. I'm going to do this for the both sides of my marks. Alright, okay. Alright, as you can see, my face mask is almost ready. Alright, so now it's time to put my elastic band. So I'm going to get my elastic band right now, and I'm going to use my scissors as my measuring tape to measure the length of my elastic band. Yeah, the DIY, you don't need the measuring tape to do this. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to cut out 2 elastic bands for both sides of my face mask. Okay. So after doing that, I'm going to take the ink of my barrel and I'm going to use it to insert my elastic into the hole I created in my face mask. So after doing that, I'm just going to tie the 2 edges of my elastic band just like this and put in the folded side inside the hole I created so that it won't show when you wear your face mask. Alright, so I'm going to do this for the other side of the face mask. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done inserting the elastic in the second part of my face mask. So right now I'm going to insert my filter inside my filter pocket. I used paper. Paper is very good. Okay, trust me, I'm going to show you how good it is after this video. Alright, as you can see, my face mask is ready, sitting pretty on my face. So right now I'm going to take a lighter. I'm going to blow this lighter through my mask to see if the lights will go off. I blew and trust me, the light didn't go off. I have to tell you how good paper is to use as a filter. Right? You can try this at home and tell me your feedback about this. Alright, okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Alright, thank you. Bye.